There are women out there who loves playing games. They love the attention. They love the ego boost. But they don't want to match your energy and unless you make them. So today I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to help you play these games. They want to play games? Let's play games. So I got 5 specific tricks to help you today. Let's go. And you will not ever again chase her like a puppy. Let's go. Number one, you need to friend zone her first. Yeah, so many guys fear being put in the friend zone, but women they do it all the time, often without even thinking about it. Like they keep guys around for validation, attention, and emotional support without giving anything back in return. Now imagine that flipping that on her. Here's what happens. By the way, I got my notes here, so let's read it. The moment you make it clear that you only see her just as a friend, bro, her brain will start racing. She'll be like, wait, why doesn't he see me that way? Why isn't he trying to get with me? Does he not find me attractive? Did I do something wrong? She'll go crazy, man. She might not even been into you before, but now her ego is activated. She feels the need to prove herself and change your opinion. Here's an example. Let's say that you hang out and have a good time. Later, you can send her a message like something like, yo, buddy, that was fun. We're gonna be the best of friends. She'll go crazy. She'll be like, what? No way. Notice what happens. Suddenly, she's dressing a little nicer whenever she sees you. She's getting more touchy with you. She's laughing harder now at your jokes. Now your jokes are funny. She's finding excuses to be close. All because she's trying to climb out of that friend box that you put her in. This works because it takes away the assumption that you're the one chasing her. Now she's the one subtly competing for your attention and approval. Let's go to number two now. You need to make a killer first impression. Your first impression is everything. Everything. Looks is always number one. From the very first second that you meet her, she's making subconscious judgments about you. Are you confident? Do you seem comfortable in your own skin? Do you act like a man who knows his value? If you approach her timid, fidgety, avoid eye contact, you instantly look weak and you instantly lower your chances to get with her. That nervous energy reads as uncertainty, and uncertainty is the opposite of attraction. On the flip side, walking up with relaxed confidence, making eye contact, smiling naturally, speaking clearly, that instantly separates you from 90% of the guys. So I can tell you from personal experience, the guys who stand out aren't the ones with flashy clothes or perfect pickup lines. No, they are the ones who approach like it's no big deal, who talk to you like you've known them, like you've known each other for years, and who carry themselves like they belong anywhere they go. So confidence isn't about arrogance. No, it's never about that. Confidence is not arrogance. It's about acting like you already know your worth. And that's exactly the kind of energy that makes women remember you. Number three, you need to be surrounded by women. This is what's known as social proof. The idea that if other women clearly enjoy your company, new women will assume that you must have something special, something going on about you. And if she sees you talking, laughing, and connecting with other women, even platonically, it triggers something in her brain. Why do they all like him? Why? What's so good about him? Am I missing something? It's not just about liking you, no. It's about not wanting to miss out on whatever those other women are seeing in you. Think about shows like The Bachelor. The Bachelor. Why do all those women get obsessed with the same guy? Because they see him surrounded by competition. They see everyone else wanting him, and suddenly it becomes an ego thing. I need to be the one with him. I need to be the one with him. You can create that same effect in your real life. You don't need a RM. You just need you just need to be comfortable and social around women so that she sees that you are someone who's already desired. Number 4 now. You need to cancel a date at least once. I know this one going to make some of you nervous, but hear me out. When you cancel a date once and do it without over explaining, it sends a powerful message that your time is valuable and you have other priorities and you're not desperate for her attention. Now I'm not talking about constantly flaking, being disrespectful. This is a one-time move, only a one-time move, a one-time gesture that you need to do, and you need to use it strategically. Here's how it works. You test her this. Hey, something came up. I can't make it tonight. Let's talk later. This, just that. Keep it short. No groveling. No 50 paragraph long. No, don't do that. Just short. Just calm and a simple cancellation. What happens next? If she's used to being chased, she's going to be confused. She's going to be mad. Maybe even a little irritated. But underneath that irritation, her ego is screaming, wait, what? Does he not like me? Is he seeing someone else? What's important than me? She'll be crazy. Now she's thinking about you more, not less. You have flipped the script from he's lucky to see me to why didn't he make time for me? Now she's thinking about you. Just make sure that you only do this if she's the type of woman who play games. Don't do this with serious girls, but do this only with them bitches that play games. With genuine real woman, this move can backfire on you like heavily. You know your audience. Number 5, you need to keep the mystery alive. The last trick is simple, but almost every gal fails at it. Don't spill your whole life story right away. Don't do that. When you meet someone new, it's tempting to share everything: your career, your goals, your past relationship, your family trauma, your life achievement. You think it'll make her see you think it'll make her see your value? No, it won't. But what it really does, it kills the intrigue. Mystery is one of the most powerful attraction tools that you can have. If she knows everything about you immediately, she has nothing left to discover. She has nothing left to be curious about. Curiosity disappears, and with it, so does the urge to chase. So instead of laying out your entire biography, focus on having fun. Have fun. Fun, engaging conversation. Share stories that are interesting. But leave certain details out so she has to wonder about them. So don't reveal everything about yourself. Keep some mystery about yourself. Drop hints instead of full explanation. So whatever you do, don't try to impress her with money or status. Don't do that. If she's attracted to you for your wallet, She's not chasing you, she's chasing what you can give. You don't want that. So to summarize it all, you need to present her first. It shifts the power balance. When you start with confidence from the start, it makes you memorable. When you're around other women, it triggers competition. When you cancel a date at least once, it proves that you're not desperate. And the last one, when you are mysterious, it keeps her engaged. So the result, you are no longer the guy chasing her. She is the one thinking about you, competing for your attention and putting in the effort. So remember, this isn't about playing games with good women. This is only specific for those women who play games, for them bitches who play games. So it's about matching the energy of women who test you, who want the ego boost, who just want the attention from you. The best part, once you get used to this mindset, you stop feeling pressure to win her over and start realizing that the right woman will meet you halfway. So go out there, apply this trick, and watch how fast the energy shifts.